Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Food Talks with Mika, and today we're back with another banging video. And today the video is about shrimp. I'm making a shrimp Lou Ming today. Always saying that we have to get all the ingredients in a gear. So it's shrimp and Lou Ming. So it's shrimp, Lou Ming, carrot, onion, Christophene, ting. You don't know, all we're not playing. So without further ado, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, to the new subscribers, to the old subscribers, to the supporters from a long time, from day one when I didn't have no subscribers at all. So I am playing that by being thankful. Everybody subscribe. Trinidad and Tobago, other parts of the world subscribing. The viewers in India, only pick up on yourself. So all you, we going and make a shrimp Lou Ming. All who know me know I love shrimp really bad. So without further ado, before I jump in the video, let me remind all you there are 4 things all you have to do for me. So you have to subscribe. That's the first thing. Subscribe, stop what you're doing, and subscribe. If you're reading a paper, put it down for 2 minutes and subscribe. If you're watching a movie, pause it and subscribe. So you're subscribing, you're liking, you're commenting, you're sharing. Those are the 4 things. So subscribe. 1. Like. 2. Comment. 3. Share. 4. So you know them 4 things. I want to link me with that. And don't forget interact with me too. Instagram. Food Talks with Mika on Instagram. Or then like up the Instagram. And interact with me too. Same way, tell more videos you want to see. Where you want to see more of. Right? So without further ado, we jump into the video. So all my shrimp lovers out there, put all your hand in the air and bust our wine. Right? So we jumping into the video. There we go. Okay guys, so we're back again and we're looking to bubble the pot here now. So I have some butter and I have some oil and I'm going to add my ginger to that. Right? So that cooks on a little bit. And then I'm going to add the ginger. Then I caramelize the butter now. Right? And now I'm going to add my shrimp. Right? So that's it. See that, guys? Right? Because it's a shrimp Lou Ming. So it can't be shrimp Lou Ming and you have no shrimp. Alright? So I cooking up my shrimp first. Of course, it is well seasoned. Salt, black pepper, shadow beni, you know, niceness, I'll pepper, sugar. You know, you season up your shrimp to suit you. Alright, so I cooking on my shrimp here first for this a bit. But it has to come back in the heat again. So, cooking on the shrimp here first, then I'm going to remove it from the pot. Put it aside, and then I'm going to cook my other vegetables, which is my carrots, my onion, my Christophene, and I have some corn and some shadow beni, chopped shadow beni. Right, so that's what we're doing. The noodles are already boiled as well too. The yellow noodles, that is already boiled too. So I'm cooking on the shrimp here for a little bit, and then we coming back to do the vegetables because I have to remove the shrimp from in here in a few minutes. Alright, don't forget, shrimp is mostly cooked for like 6 minutes, 3 minutes on either side. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Right? So we coming back to add the vegetables and then to add the noodles and to finish up this shrimp noodles. You understand? The shrimp Lou Ming. So you could do chicken Lou Ming too. You could do chicken. You know, you could do a vegan. You could do the noodles just without meat. And your vegetables, you could add broccolis and stuff to this too. Broccoli, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, orange bell peppers. To make it pretty. You know, but I am, you know, due to certain circumstances, I cannot add too much of bell peppers to my dish today, but it will still be pretty by the time I'm finished. So we stay in here with this. We coming back in a few, and we adding a little egg in it too, or they don't want to miss this. So we coming back. We taking out the shrimp and we coming back. Stand by. Right guys, so we back. So I'm going to add my vegetables, carrots, right? All stripped carrots, Christophene and onions coming in now. Right, so it's gonna get that nice shrimpy flavor right away, in addition to the butter. Butter does give everything a nice, really nice flavor too. So we're gonna let these cook down, and then we coming back to add the noodles, the corn, and the egg. We add a little egg too. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. We'll be back with this shrimp Lou Ming on this beautiful afternoon. Hope everything is going okay with everyone. Or let's pick up all yourself. You don't know, stay safe. Food Talks with Mika in the building. We coming back. Alright guys, so I have my egg. I have 2 eggs whisked up here. I'm going to add my eggs. Right, you make sure your heat at a little low. Right, your egg gonna be like a scramble. Right, because you don't want the eggs to burn. Right, and you're gonna toss your vegetables in it like this. There was a kind of Chinese style Lou Ming I doing here. Right, so we're gonna let this toast up nice. I put in my own little twist to this meal today. So now I'm going to add my corn and shadow beni. Right, 1 tin of corn and 5 leaves of shadow beni. Right, guys, if this smell how good this smelling real good. Right. So now I'm going to add in my noodles. And we're going to toast up this, and then we add in the shrimp after. So stay tuned. So yeah, we can't have Lou Ming without soy sauce. So I add my soy sauce, right? And now I'm going to just add back in my shrimp and bad boys. Toss. And that is it for the video today earlier. Shrimp Lou Ming. So I'm giving it a quick little toss here. Quick little toss. And we coming back. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so we have shrimp Lou Ming, right, topped with some pepper jack cheese. I did a sprinkle of pepper jack cheese and garnished with pepper flakes and parsley flakes. All the lemon one I could open my restaurant. I confident in myself and I ready. Anybody have a spot, just let me know. Shrimp Lou Ming topped with pepper jack cheese. Happy Friday.